please allow me to introduce a new device which is called TED. TED actually stands for tension display and perfectly matches with our principle of intuitive control. TED is mounted on the turning knob of the flex holder on the prewinder. As it is the case with the standard execution, to increase or decrease the tension on the filling, one has to increase or decrease the distance of the S-flex in comparison to the spool body of the prewinder by turning on the yellow knob. With TED, the position of the turning knob is visualized. The TED gives you three main advantages to better control the performance of the machine. First of all, it allows you to easily control the setting of the flex brake on the prewinder. Secondly, it enables you to quickly manage possible setting differences between prewinders. And last but not least, as it is a digital readout of a mechanical setting, it makes it easier to reproduce the setting when weaving the article on different machines or when repeating the article in the future. Furthermore, the TED display will also give you relevant information in case of a filling stop. The weaver is immediately informed what kind of filling stop is detected, for example, a filling break or a bobbin break. With the introduction of the tension display, Picanol sets another step towards full digitization of the weaving machine. Up to the next!